I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.4 thousand of you, and I am so thankful and I love you guys so much. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be going through 10 Lush products that I think are so underrated that you need to go and try. Now, obviously, these are not going to be my top 10 because a lot of my favourites I know that a lot of other people really love, but these are 10 products that I have used, and I have used multiple times even, that I think a lot of people haven't mentioned, and they are really good. So without further ado, grab yourselves a snack or a coffee and let's jump into the video. So the first one is the Marshmallow World Bath Bomb. Now, I absolutely love this. This is $5.95. It is relatively expensive, but it just smells so good. In terms of ingredients, I am going to read them off the computer. This has granulated sugar, potato starch, cream of tartar, vanilla absolute, benzoin resinoid icing sugar, and sage oil. So I think it smells like American cream. Am I wrong? It smells like American cream-ish. It's very sweet, it's very fruity, it's just so yummy and amazing, and it makes the water look like pink marble, and I absolutely love it. If you've not tried this bath bomb, you need to. It's so underrated. Honestly, I don't really hear a lot of people talking about this, especially on YouTube at the moment, but if you've not tried this product, please try it, and yeah, let me know your thoughts because I absolutely love this product when I used it, and I've used it I think twice now. I do actually have a video of it on my Lush highlights on my Instagram, which is just here, so if you haven't watched it, go and check it out and you can see it in action. But yeah, love this bath bomb, 10 out of 10, amazing. The next item is the Milky Bath Bubble Bar. Now, this is reusable, so it is £8.50, which is extortionate in my opinion, but all you have to do with this is run it under the tap and then let it dry. Don't crumble it, don't mush it, just keep it solid, and you will get probably 10, 12, 15 baths out of this. It's so good. You don't need much at all. Give the water a bit of a swish around to help it kind of make bubbles, but the smell, it's just amazing. Ingredients wise, I will go through the ingredients. So we have patchouli, cream of tartar, orange oil, and oat flour. So it basically smells like clean washing. Like, it's so yummy and amazing, and I haven't bought this in a very long time, and it's just so good. All I can say is that it's so good, but I promise you this smells incredible. It just smells fresh, clean, like soap, but it's so good. It's amazing. And if you've not tried it, let me know, and if you have tried it, let me know. But yeah, 10 out of 10, Milky Bath Bubble Bar, so good. Sticking with the bubble bar theme, we also have the Ladybird Bubble Bar. Now, this bubble bar, I have probably bought about 7 or 8 of these in the past. I love this one so much, and it used to be a limited edition one, hence why I bought so many, but it smells amazing. It kind of smells like a fruity, minty smell. It's really hard to describe it because when you describe it, it sounds really gross, but I promise you it smells amazing. I will go through the ingredients as well. So this one has cream of tartar, obviously, geranium oil, peppermint oil, and what is that? Something else I can't pronounce, but this just smells fresh, fruity, minty, amazing, and it makes the water a really deep purple because of the red and purple like combo, but I promise you it's so good. And if you haven't tried it, oh, it's so nice. Like, if you've tried this, let me know. But yeah, definitely an underrated product. I don't hear a lot of people talking about this one, and I love it. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Next up, we have a body scrub, and this is the Magic Crystals body scrub. For £11, you get 300 grams of this product, and it's so good. It's so nice. It's a beautiful purple colour to start with, but it also smells really minty, really fresh. And ingredients wise in this one, you've got aniseed oil, spearmint oil, peppermint oil, menthol crystals, fresh sage infusion. You also have mint infusion, sea salt, and rosemary, and it's just, I can't even describe it. Like, it's just such a fresh, like, great morning scrub. It's so good. This paired with Christingle, maybe just, oh, great combo. And it's just underrated because obviously you have Rub Rub Rub, which is a classic, but this one is just so good. It's unbelievable. So let me know if you've tried it, obviously down below in the comments, because I'd love to know, and I'd love to know your thoughts. The next item is probably one of the most expensive that Lush sell, and that is the Rose Argan body conditioner. Now, for £18, £18, you get 225 grams of this product. It's insanely expensive, but oh my god, does it smell and make you feel absolutely incredible. It's such a classic product. It's been out in Lush for absolutely ages. It smells like sweet creamy rose, like rose jam. Oh, it's so good. And in terms of ingredients in this one, we have almond oil, cypress leaf infusion, Brazil nut oil, vanilla pod infusion, argan oil, capucci butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, rose oil, geranium oil and lemon oil, and it just smells so good. Now obviously it's very expensive, but it's so underrated. I absolutely love this product, and I think I used to use this a lot when I used to work there because I would happily spend £9 on a tub of it, but £18? It's so expensive, but it's so good. It's so nice. If you've used it again, let me know down below and let me know your thoughts, but oh, it's delicious. Honestly, so good. The next item is something which I haven't used in a very long time, and I actually forgot existed until I looked on the website and I remembered how much I loved this product. This is the Kalamazoo Face and Beard Wash. Now obviously I don't really have a beard. I mean, I probably do have a bit, do you know what I mean? But like, I don't have a beard, do you know what I mean? And it just makes your skin so incredibly soft, you would not believe it. It is quite expensive. For 100 grams it is £9, but honestly, if you've got dry skin, it's so good. I feel like all I'm saying in this video is it's so good, it's so good, it's so good, but honestly this product makes your skin so soft, so smooth. If you just want a really nice, gentle, softening wash, amazing. And if you've got a boyfriend that's got a beard, amazing. Why I haven't bought this for Ryan actually, I don't know, so maybe I should do that. But yeah, amazing. Next up, I have two solid soaps to share with you. The first one is Outback Mate, which is the most incredible minty soap you will ever smell in your life. It's got a lot of like lemongrass hints to it, so it's not overly minty that it just smells like the toilet cleaner, do you know what I mean? Like, it just smells incredible. Price wise for 100 grams it is £5, standard price for soap. And ingredients wise, this one has a eucalyptus infusion, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, lemongrass oil and peppermint oil, and it just looks beautiful. Like, the colour of this is stunning. It's a beautiful ocean blue and I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, if you want a bar of soap, this one, unbelievable. And the second soap I want to mention in this video is the Sultana of soap. This is an absolute classic and it is a little bit cheaper at £4 for 100 grams, but this soap to shave with, oh, it's milky, it's creamy, it smells amazing. I don't know what my hands are doing, they're like birds. But it's just so good, like creamy, fresh. Yes, it has got like sultanas and raisins on top, which I don't really like because they kind of like fall out in the shower and it's just really annoying. But the smell of this is just next level. Ingredients wise, I'll go through. We have rapeseed oil, coconut oil, dried apricots, dried currants, dried cranberries, olibanum oil, bergamot oil, and it just smells unreal. If you go into a Lush store, just smell this soap and feel it. It's so, to touch, it's just creamy and soft and amazing. I need to get some more. I haven't used it in a while and I absolutely love it. And the last two items are hair care products. The first one I used all the time a few years ago. I think I've probably bought about 8 to 10 to 12 pots of this in a lifetime, and that is the Marilyn hair treatment. This hair treatment is absolutely stunning. For blonde hair, essentially it's supposed to lighten it, make it brighter. Obviously it hasn't got bleach in it, but it gives it that kind of bright sort of vibe to it. I don't know how to explain it. It's just unbelievable. And for a 225 gram pot, it is £13. So it isn't cheap, but it's so good. Ingredients wise, this one has chamomile infusion, fresh lemon juice, saffron infusion, olive oil, chamomile oil and lemon oil, and it just smells unreal. Like, I can't even describe the smell to you. It just smells fresh and clean, and it just smells really nostalgic to me because I used to use it all the time. But I absolutely love this mask, and when my hair gets a little bit blonder, because I am wanting it to go a little bit lighter, I will be using it because it's absolutely stunning, and I just cannot recommend this product enough. If you've got blonde hair, use it. I promise you, it's amazing. And last but by no means least is probably one of my all-time favourite hair products from Lush, and that is the Roots hair treatment. Now, I go on about this so much and I still don't really hear a lot of like hype about it, but this product is just absolutely incredible. It is the most beautiful kind of scalp cleansing product I've ever used in my life. It's £14 for 225 grams, and ingredients wise I will just go through them briefly. We have fresh mint infusion, honey, peppermint oil, grapefruit oil, neroli oil, orange oil, olive oil. It's just so beautiful, and I put this all over my scalp and I massage it in. I genuinely do leave this on for like an hour. You only need to leave it on for about 20 minutes, but I do leave it on for as long as possible. And when you wash this out, my scalp feels so fresh, so clean, and it's just amazing. Honestly, if you have not tried this product, I highly recommend it. It's absolutely stunning and it just makes my hair amazing. And I do really truly believe it has encouraged my hair to grow. So if you're wanting your hair to grow, Roots hair treatment, I promise you, amazing. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Those were my kind of 10 picks for underrated Lush products. Let me know yours down below because I'd love to know, and maybe I'll try something new when I go shopping, even though I shouldn't go shopping, but I'll definitely go shopping soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe because it absolutely makes my day. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.